In fluid control, efficiency and reliability are everything. For too long, straining technology has been held back by weak points, high maintenance, and inefficient flow. It's time for a leap forward. Introducing the YSH Series Y-Strainer from Hayward Flow Control, a complete redesign of what a Y-Strainer can be. The heart of any strainer is the strainer element. We've revolutionized it. Our YSH screen is extruded as a single piece. No seams, no welds, no weak points. This makes it a market leader in both strength and longevity. It's designed for easy removal and cleaning, and with a range of perforation sizes and patterns available, you get the straining your application demands. We didn't just make it stronger, we made it smarter. The YSH series boasts a significant increase in its flow coefficient, an average of 40% across all 6 sizes. The lower body angle and superior internal geometry create one of the highest CV Y-Strainer lines on the market. Less turbulence, less pressure drop, more open area, and more efficiency for your entire system. We designed the YSH with the operator in mind. The color-coded barrel nut is easy to identify visually. Permanent, high-contrast laser markings make the product information easy to read for life. This design improves operator safety. For advanced monitoring, the YSH in sizes 1 inch and larger can be provided with tapped access points for installation of pressure gauges to monitor differential pressure. And for added convenience, the YSH can be provided with a tapped port in the cap for drainage, or addition of a bleed valve. Stronger, more efficient, easier to maintain. The Hayward YSH Series Strainer is the new standard in thermoplastic Y-Strainers, available in sizes 1/2 inch to 2 inch, in PVC, clear PVC, and CPVC with EPDM or FPM seals. Experience the difference.